6, 7, 8.
This dance is Ipanema Girl, choreographed by Ruben Luna. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, side together, forward, hold, side together, back, hold. Section 2, turn a quarter left, walk forward, left, right, left, hold, forward, mambo, hold. Section 3, scissor steps. To the left, side, together, cross, hold, side, together, cross, hold. Section 4, mambos. To the left, side rock, recover, together. To the right, side rock, recover, together. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that's the whole dance.